Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A71 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we will need, which is this SIM eject tool. They come provided with the device, so you can find it somewhere in the box. So once you get that, you can pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. Once you push in the pin, you will see that the tray pops out. And from here you have access to two different SIM cards, trays, and one memory tray. So let's place memory card and SIM card. Make sure that they're laying flush on the tray. There we go. So once it is, you want to then hold it securely and slide it back into the device. And number one, you will be presented with a SIM pen, assuming you have one. I do, although I don't know the pattern or the code for it, so disregard that. But as you can see, SIM card is working and SD card should be working as well, and that is how you would insert both of them. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.